Hey there, if you are looking to remove the promotion from Gmail, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove the promotion from Gmail on your phone. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. First, open up the Gmail app. Once you are in, if you want to get rid of the promotions tab entirely, you'll need to head to Gmail setting. To do that, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and scroll down and tap settings. In the settings menu, tap on inbox type. If you want to completely turn off the promotions tab, select default inbox and tap done. Once you have done that, the promotions tab will no longer appear and all your emails will show up together in your main inbox. And that's it, you have successfully removed the promotions tab from Gmail. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.